let's explore the high school student experience in Monarch by AOP. Each school day, your student will log into Monarch to access their student dashboard, which provides an overview of course assignments for them to complete. Your student will progress at their own pace, learning through narrative, video, and interactive multimedia, as well as assessments. They can also choose to work ahead using their calendar and assignments views. Parents are encouraged to partner with their team to manage their time by setting agreed-upon deadlines. This helps your student establish time management and critical thinking skills. As your child grows, so will their attention span and capacity to learn. By high school, a student should plan to spend 45 to 60 minutes a day per subject lesson. Your student can easily communicate with you through the notes feature of an assessment when they have a question for you. They can also DM you through the messages feature on their homepage and in the top navigation bar. Check your messages regularly to ensure your student is able to stay on track with their lessons. Your student dashboard will only display courses you assign to them from your parent account with AOP. With Monarch's Full Access Subscription, you can assign as many courses as you want for their school year. In addition to the core subjects, more than 60 high school electives and career technical education courses allow your student to continue expanding their knowledge in areas that interest them. Is Monarch right for your high school student? Start your free trial today.